Arbos plant protection drones provide safe, efficient, and reliable production tools for plant protection. The new Arbos plant protection drone adopts 6-rotor design, short takeoff adjustment, high efficiency, and high attendance. The arms adopt football design that is convenient to carry and transfer to other operations. Pesticide tank capacity 10 liters, 16 liters. Quick change liquid tank. Realize quick change the pesticide tank and improve operation efficiency. The high pressure nozzle can spray 100 to 200 micron droplets. Spraying effect is excellent. The intelligent spraying flow control system can automatically adjust the spraying flow according to the working speed to effectively avoid respraying and burning seedings. "10 liters spray waste, 3 to 5 meters. Spray efficiency, 5 to 6 hectares per hour. 16 liters spray waste, 4 to 6 meters. Spray efficiency, 8 to 9 hectares per hour. Obstacle avoidance radar can detect obstacles 2 to 50 meters in front of the machine and stops automatically. Arbos plant protection drones provide smarter solutions for the plant protection industry.